How to turn on and turn off direct messages on TikTok. Firstly, you have to install the TikTok app in your Android. Now you have to open the app. You can see this is the desktop of your TikTok. At the bottom there are different options like home, friends, plus, inbox and the profile. Just you have to click on the profile option. This type of screen will appear here. Click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on the settings and the privacy here. There is an option of the privacy. Click on it. Just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now how to turn on and turn off direct messages. Whenever you have to click on direct message, in this way you can turn off by clicking on no one and turn on by clicking on everyone. In this way you can turn it on and turn off direct messages on TikTok. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very, very good luck. Thanks.